Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make dressing for salad. Begin by combining 3 parts oil with 1 part acid. Extra virgin olive oil provides a rich base, while red wine vinegar or fresh lemon juice adds a bright, tangy kick. This simple ratio is your foundation for countless delicious variations. Whisk these together until emulsified for a smooth texture. Once you have your basic vinaigrette, it's time to elevate the flavors. Minced garlic or finely chopped shallots introduce a wonderful aromatic complexity. A hint of sweetness from honey or maple syrup balances the acidity beautifully. Don't forget to season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. These small additions make a significant difference in the overall taste profile. Beyond vinaigrettes, creamy dressings offer another world of flavor. Greek yogurt, mayonnaise, or tahini can form a rich, smooth base. Fresh herbs such as dill, parsley, or cilantro brighten any dressing. For an adventurous twist, try adding soy sauce and sesame oil for an Asian-inspired dressing. The possibilities are truly endless when you start experimenting with different ingredients. Proper storage ensures your homemade dressing stays fresh. Keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Before serving, always give it a good shake and taste to adjust any seasonings. A little extra salt, pepper, or a squeeze of lemon can make all the difference. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.